Today we're going to have a look at the GuliKit KK3 Pro and Max. They'll work on a PC, Switch and most mobile devices as well. And on top of that, they promise to be drift free. Today we're checking out two exciting gaming controllers, the GuliKit KK3 Max and the KK3 Pro. Both are packed with top-end features like Hall effect analog sticks, but each offering a slightly different experience. Both of the controllers come in a sleek, mainly white packaging, with images of the controller front and centre. Other than the name, Max or Pro, the boxes are almost identical. Even the images of the controllers look the same at a quick glance. Inside, each controller is snugly packaged in a hard plastic camshell-like case. Along with the controller, you'll find a premium USB Type-C charging cable, paperwork, a sticker, a wireless receiver, and detachable rear paddles. The Max version though offers a little extra, giving you more options for those paddles. Both models share the same fantastic core features, including advanced Hall effect thumbsticks, virtually eliminating stick drift, a super fast 1000 Hz polling rate whether you're wired or using the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. You have Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, as well as compatibility with Nintendo Switch, Windows, Android, iOS and even Steam Decks. They even have gyroscopic aiming for precise motion control. And on top of all that, you've got macro recording, interchangeable ABXY layout and adjustable RGB lighting around the thumbsticks and logo. But there are some differences between the models. For example, the Max comes with 4 detachable metal paddles with an option of changing them between different styles, while the KK3 Pro only has an option for 2, but you can actually buy aftermarket ones and add more in on the back. The Max also includes physical trigger lock switches for quick swaps between analog and digital trigger modes, where the Pro doesn't have the feature. The Max also comes with extra accessories, including swappable button caps. The Max model felt slightly heavier and had more of a smooth, silky finish to it, while the Pro seemed a little lighter, but it had a nice texture grip that actually feels a bit better during long sessions. Using the Max feels fantastic. It's solid, ergonomic, and the Hall effect sticks are extremely responsive. I really appreciated the customization options like the detachable paddles and swappable buttons. But not everything is perfect. There's no dedicated software for deeper tweaks, which might disappoint some hardcore customers. As for the Pro model, it's a brilliant option for casual and mid-core gamers. It's comfortable, lightweight and still gives you that Hall effect accuracy. However, I did notice a bit of input lag and jitter in fast-paced games, and the D-pads and triggers felt less sharp compared to the Max. If you want maximum customization and more accessories right out of the box, the KK3 Max is the obvious choice. But if you prefer a lighter, more textured controller and can live without all the extras, the Pro might actually suit you better. Either way, you're getting a premium controller with top-notch Hall effect technology and broad compatibility. And for the price, that's seriously impressive. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.